How to unlike all posts on Instagram. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application and just log in your Instagram account. Now, you will see here you will be led here to your homepage, basically the feed section. Now, all you have to do is to like post. Now, to unlike it, all you have to do is to go on the bottom part, you will see your profile there. You tap on that, and on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines. So, go under your activity here, and then you will see these options such as time spent, photos and videos, and you may want to go to the interaction section. So all you have to do is tap on that. And here you will see all the interactions that you could do, such as comments, likes, story replies, reviews, and not interested. Now, all you have to do is to tap on likes, and here you will see the newest to oldest likes that you have actually tapped on. Now, to unlike that, on the upper right, you will see select. Click on the posts that you want to unlike and just tap on unlike here. And then unlike post, are you sure you want to unlike these posts? So tap on unlike. If it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.